Looking to amplify your branding with personalized social media content? Let us show you how SocialPilot's Watermark feature effortlessly enables you to add personalized watermarks to your images at scale with a few simple steps. To begin with, let's look at how to set up your watermark. Navigating from your SocialPilot dashboard, head over to Accounts and select Manage Accounts. Hover on the account for which you're creating the image post and click on the Edit option. Here, you'll find the Watermarks tab. Upload the image you want as your watermark and adjust the opacity, size, and position of your watermark. You can further fine-tune your watermark image using our in-app editor. Effortlessly crop, apply filters, or add text for an impeccable, tailored finish. Once you're happy with your watermark, hit Save. Now, every image posted on this account will carry your chosen watermark. Want to use the same watermark for other accounts? Just copy it over with a click. Let's see the watermark feature in action, shall we? Head over to the Post Creator section and start crafting your post with an image. Then, select the account equipped with your custom watermark and simply schedule your post or share it instantly. Want to verify your watermark? Head over to the Manage Post section and check out your published image post from the Delivered tab. There you go. Give your image posts a distinct branded aesthetic with SocialPilot's watermark feature and have your content stand out,